I'm Miss Emma Smith, musically called MX. I'm a humanitarian, financial analyst, event planner, actress, and a musician. I'm a daughter of the Liberian soul. I was born in Bomi County, where I started my academic sojourn at the St. Dominic Catholic High School after I left for Ghana, where I continued my secondary education. Upon my return to Liberia in 2005, I enrolled and was matriculated at the African Methodist Episcopal University, where I acquired a BSc in economics. Based on my meritorious process, I became a beneficiary of the World Bank Sponsor Program, where I obtained a master's degree in finance. From childhood to adulthood, I never ceased having passion for writing and arranging my own songs. I started singing at the age 10 from the church choir. I became professional in 2005. I've strived and produced more rated motivational songs, but my dream is yet to materialize. Music is my word, my passion, and my comfort zone. I've traveled neighboring countries exploring my passion through performances such as TV ads, radio, and TV interviews.
She came there from Africa because she had a great voice. I love her so much.